Hey there, so I'm just going to make this quick video about Prolific, and I'm going to jump into it so I don't waste your time. Prolific essentially has been my favorite survey website that I've used for quite a while. I used it in 2020 quite intensively when I didn't have work, and then I got a full-time job and I kind of lost my time for doing it. But this was, in my opinion, the highest paying survey website, and it's because the surveys aren't these random weird like financial surveys that you'll get on other websites. Most of it is like helping universities and taking part in actual interesting trials. That was one of the other things I found quite interesting. Because I was studying occupational therapy, I found it quite interesting to see all the psychology studies. I don't have a referral link or anything like that, so this video, I don't have any incentive to make it besides just telling people, this is a cool way to make money. Now, submissions, I'm just going to show you here just for actual proof. I made 135.61 Great British Pounds of this website. I submitted 128 surveys. 117 of them approved. Sometimes they don't get approved if you time out and the survey is submitted before you finish it. You can see that is essentially a good amount of money, especially for someone who doesn't have an income. And I'm in Australia, so the conversion from Great British Pounds to Australian dollars was pretty nice, especially in 2020. And 2019, I think I was using it then as well. But I've got some really interesting surveys by different universities here. I'm not going to name them. If you start using this website and it goes well for you, feel free to tell me. I'd be quite interested. If you have any other websites that are higher paying or have as interesting or more interesting surveys, please tell me, because this is something that I've started doing again recently and I'm quite interested to find anything else that works.